everyone, Nikhil this side from Coding Beam. So in this video we will see that how the React works and about the concept of the virtual DOM in the React. So we build components to build the user interfaces, and the React composes and updates the user interfaces with the help of the components. And about the interaction to the web of the React, so the React.js doesn't know about the web and it knows nothing about the browser in the end. So it only knows about some components, and it doesn't matter to it that if it contains the HTML elements, so it doesn't matter to React. So it's the React DOM which that matters. But the React.js is just a library that manages the component, the states and the different component state. And it knows the change of state of the component and it informs to the React DOM. So it informs the interaction to the React DOM, and in the end the React DOM is responsible for working with the real DOM, which is working with the browser, and it's responsible to bring something on the screen which the users can able to see. So the React only cares about the components and the props, which is basically used to send the data between the components, and the state and the component wise data, which is the context of the Redux, which we will see later in the course. And it contains so many features also, but these are the core features of the React. So the React.js uses a concept of the virtual DOM, and it determines that how the component tree, which is our app, and the every component have a subtree in which we write the JSX return. So it determines that how the component tree currently looks like and how it should look like, for example, after any state update in any component, and that information is then handed over to the React DOM, and which then receives the differences which are required on the components where the state has been changed, and then it manipulates the data to the real DOM. So about the summary in that, React checks how the component tree currently looks like and how it should look like, and then it hands over the information to the React DOM, and the virtual DOM receives the differences which are the required changes in any components, and then it updates the real DOM. So virtual DOM is a virtual representation of the real DOM which is stored in the memory, and then it compares the DOM with the updated state, and it only updates that components where the state has been changed, and other components will be unaffected. So this is about the working with the React. So how does the React work and how it updates the components with the help of the virtual DOM. So thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you will like the video. And guys, in the next video we will create a simple React app. So thank you guys.